Hello everyone. So in today's video we will see how to install a theme in WordPress. So let's get started. If you want to learn how to install WordPress locally, then you can visit my other video. So there are four best and most popular WordPress themes which are available. They are Astra, they are OceanWP, they are GeneratePress and Cadence. If you want a comparison of all of these four themes, then you can comment below. So let's see their individual websites. This is the Astra website, this is the OceanWP website, this is the GeneratePress website, and this is the Cadence website. All of them have a premium features available for their premium prices, but for normal user their free versions are more than sufficient. You can find their free version in the WordPress library also, so that is where we are going to install. They all of these four themes, they have annual and lifetime plans, so their plans changes depending upon the season. So during Black Friday sales, their prices are less. Also they run advertisements and offers every now and then. So if you are interested in buying their premium features, then you can buy it from their website, or else let's go through this video and we will see how to install them from the WordPress own library. So let's get started. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Now you might see that it's a different type of number which is mentioned over here. Now this is because I am using WordPress locally. In your case you will have your domain name written over here. So log into your WordPress dashboard, go to your appearance and then go to themes. In the theme, if you search, these are the themes which are already installed. Now if you search the name of the theme like Astra, the result will be no themes found, because this theme has not been installed in your WordPress right now. So in order to install it, click add new. Once you've done add new, then you have to go and search the theme. So just write the name Astra and search it, you will find the Astra theme. Similarly, you can type Cadence and you can find out the Cadence theme. Now these four themes, they are the most popular themes available in the WordPress library, and so if you click the popular tab, you can find them in the first page itself. So this is Astra, this is your Cadence, this is OceanWP, and this is your GeneratePress. In order to install any of them, all you have to do is you have to click the install. Now in order to see the details, you can click them and see the details, and also you will have a preview of how your website will look like. So suppose I want to see how my website will look like in with Cadence theme, so I'll just click details and preview, so I can see the details and the preview. So this is how we can see the details and preview of any themes which is present in the WordPress library. So without installing also, you can see how your website will look like. Now let's install. In order to install, just click install. Once you click install, it will take some time depending upon the size of the WordPress theme. So in order to activate, just click activate. Once you click activate, the WordPress theme will get activated. In order to see how your website look like, you can click over here and visit your site. So this is how your WordPress look like with the Astra theme. Now you can customize it. We will see that in our next video. So now let me install another theme and show you the difference. So just go to your appearance, theme, add new, go to the popular, because these are the popular themes, and let me install GeneratePress. I love Astra and GeneratePress. These are two themes which I normally use in all my websites. So just install it. It will take some time. Once you install, just click activate and it will get activated. So now it has been activated. Earlier I had installed Astra, now I have installed this. So let's click visit site and see, this is how your website look like with Astra, and this is how your website look like with your GeneratePress. So if you want to install any other theme, you can easily go it over there and install. In order to customize, you can also customize. In the future videos, we will see how we can customize the themes. So I hope you have liked this video. If you have any comment, just comment below. Thank you. And if you found it useful, then do like, share and comment.